those Ervanários,澳門關前街, Herbalist Street. Swirl me around, up and down, like a washing machine, east and west and all around. 16th century street of merchants coming from afar. Everything can be found, all you gotta do is look around. Swirl me around, up and down, like a washing machine, east and west and all around. Street of the herbalist, ever changing, 500 years of this and that, and everything else all around, and everything can be found. Just swirl it around, just go up and down, up and down, going down, going down, down, up and down.
Okay, so we're in Ervanários. We're going to capture this. There we go. So we'll talk all about the street in a minute.
嗱，未到最後一刻都可能仲有㗎。
And we're going to do a whole video where we're going to follow and see where there are. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back to another one in Macau. So we are on the Herbalist Street, and first thing, we put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau. And just as an aside, it's kind of where would be the northern fringe of where the city ended historically. And so starting back in the 500 years ago, 16th century, a lot of merchants would gather there. So they would come from all over Portugal, from different parts of the world, including Southeast Asia and definitely China, of course, because that's where they would meet. China and Portugal would meet. And so that area always had a lot of merchants, and they would sell all kinds of stuff from all over the world. So and actually also herbalist, because Ervanários, the Portuguese word is herbalist, and then the Chinese word is more like the border gate. So anyways, we also have a song, so I'm going to put the song up. And the song was one that I created, and I fed it into AI to create the music itself. But the lyrics, I just wrote it. I was kind of playing around with the fact that, there's black and white tile. It kind of swirls around the Portuguese sidewalks. And this is kind of a mix of cultures, east and west. So the song is all kind of based around this kind of mixing and shopping and going up and down and looking at stuff. So that's what that's all about. And those lyrics are up there as well. And we're going to get right into the walk and talk. And we're going to show you what it looks like in 2025. Okay, so we're at the start of Ervanários. We're going to go and see where those little mascots are in a minute. They walk down a certain way. But anyways, this is where the origin of the street is at. And you got all these black and white tiles, and this is Ervanários. It's also a Sunday. I think these are here on a Sunday, but maybe not on other days. So we are going to go this way. That's to the left is where the cars, they can go down that way, but then this one is the pedestrian street. So we're going to walk into Ervanários Street, the street of the herbalist. And this is a wonderful street to come as a tourist because there's a lot of interesting stuff everywhere. And we're going to walk in and see where our little mascot is at. They went to the right here, so we'll show you that. And then we're also going to show you the whole street. So they would have went directly this way over here. Let's go see what that's all about. We're playing mahjong there.
嚟前邊啦。咁我哋影張最後嘅留念。好，我哋一齊過嚟啦，我大翻，我哋啱啱嚟中間啦，我哋隨便揾地方。好。係啦，我哋喺前邊啦，或者係啦，可以轉啦，轉啦，轉啦。大家都。可以，咁我哋嚟啦，好啊，OK，好。
So we're gonna go back out to our street. So that's where those little mascots were at. We're gonna meander down Ervanários. So let's meander down. And we kind of have all kinds of interesting stuff down in here. Kind of highlight some of it. So you got antiques, stuff for the temple. Actually got all kinds of different stuff. Let's see, Tiger Baby coffee shop. We're going to stop by here and I'm going to get something to eat and then we're going to continue down our street. Right in here.
Hello.
Right.
Good afternoon. How are you guys?
All right. So we're going to stop at the food truck here and get some, get a little bit of chorizo.
Luis.
Hello. From Korea. 안녕하세요. Okay, so we're gonna let's just be right back. I'll be back in a minute, Pedro. We're gonna come back. He's gonna make something for me, but we're just gonna go down the end of the street and come back. Yeah, usually I'll stop there and I'll get something to eat. So we'll kind of hurry along and get our street filmed here. There's a Vader as well. So they have some Portuguese snacks there. A Vader. Actually got a lot of stuff here, but I'm gonna a little bit kind of want to get back and get that one that I ordered. So. But this is what it looks like in March 2025. Come out here. Okay, so this is the end of the street. We're just gonna come over here, capture Ervanários. And this is where the end of the street is at. That goes up into Santa Square and St. Dominic's and Sao Paulo ruins. This is keeps changing as well. So we're gonna end our video. And I think what I'm gonna do is just gonna walk back towards the food truck. So there you go. Got a little slice of Macau for you. Coffee shop called Triangle right there. We're gonna meander back in. So yeah, this is Ervanários Street. It's the translation is the Herbalist, Street of the Herbalist, and it's I think it's kind of well known for being kind of a old street historically, and then when it transferred back from Portugal into China, I heard that they put the black and white tile at that time. It was actually a way to kind of preserve the historical nature of it, but I think historically this used to bring people along the border. Anyways, we're gonna go get some chorizo. Chem's Awakening. Coca-Cola Museum. There we go.
Up and down